Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to design this beautiful flowchart in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest design. Go to format background, go to gradient, we will give it some radial gradient. I think it is okay. We will make it more lighter color and more darker color from the sides and going to the lighter color to the center. It's okay, and the center will be more lighter color. It's okay. Go to insert round rectangle by holding shift alt, place at the center, drag, and go to control D plus duplicate, drag it to make it little bit large. Go to shape outline, make it dashes, and you will pick this eyedropper and take this color. It's okay. Shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill. We will give it some this color. We will give it some shadow effect that it's look more premium. Give it more premium look. Transparency 79, 105 size, blur 7, and it's okay. Go to insert round rectangle and it's okay. Place it here. Control Shift C and select Control Shift V to transfer the effects to the desired shape. It's okay. Insert, take a shift and I'll drag it, and Control Shift C and select Control Shift V to transfer the effects. Go to shape fill, take this dropper and select this color. Okay, weight I think 3 is okay. Shape fill, shape outline, I think so. Shape outline, go to white, and we will make it a little bit smaller. Place it here, and Control D to duplicate it. Place somewhere here, and Control D to duplicate it. Place it here, and Control D to duplicate it. Select all, Control D to duplicate it, and place on the other side. I think it's okay. Yes. Oops, no. Select separately all by holding shift and drag it on the other side of the rounded rectangle. Place it here. Select all, and we will make it a little bit in a distance from the center. No, freeform shape, and we will draw a line here and here. Yes, and select out of the slides. It's okay. Go to shape outline, make it dashes, and pick the eyedropper and give it this color. Okay. Yes, shape fill, we will give it some this color and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it, and I think so place it here. Friends, follow the below bar. I am using some keys during the design. You can see these keys at the below bar while I am typing on my keyboard, and you can see these keys. Control D to duplicate it, and follow these keys and make this design beautiful design. You can use this design for your organization chart as well, process flow chart and workflow for your business. Yes, select and place it here, place it here. Yes, control D to duplicate it, place it here. Go to insert and give this line segment and draw a line towards this shape. Control C and control shift V. Control T to duplicate it and place on the other side. Control D to duplicate it, place on both ending of the line segment. Yes, control D to duplicate it and place it on the one side of the line and the other side of the line. I have some written text that I have written it earlier, and I will copy these text to the design and control V to paste it here. We will put this text I think okay. You can add your text here, and control D to duplicate it. By holding shift, control D to duplicate it and drag it to the other side. Enter, select yes, select the whole text and then center align and place in the center on the center shape. Yes, it's okay. Yes, I think it's okay. I think we should delete these shapes. There's no need here in this design, and delete it. Acha, we will bring some icons. You can put your desired icons according to your text. We will make it little bit smaller, that it going to place in the circle. Yes, it's okay.